Hey chef, imagine this. All your recipes, ideas, and knowledge. In one place, structured, organized, ready for action. Gastronomixs is your inspiring recipe database. At its core are thousands of component recipes designed to match the way you think and work. From modern to classic, simple to complex, there's always something that fits your cooking style. You're able to filter on allergens or techniques, for example, adjust recipes, or scale them with just one click. New inspiration every week, tested by chefs, for chefs. The endless inspiration of Gastronomixs doesn't stop there. You are also able to bring your own recipes to life. Upload your recipe, and within seconds, it's structured and enriched. You only need to check it. Say goodbye to scattered notes. Build your own structure with collections. Save your favorites and group recipes by theme. Deepen your culinary knowledge and use the handy seasonal calendar. This way, you learn something new every single day. Tens of thousands of chefs use Gastronomixs daily. They save time, reduce food waste, and spark creativity again and again. Your creativity deserves structure. Try out Gastronomixs today.